everybody, our video on the posting of the comments was a little messed up. First, I guess they're updating our course in Canvas. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys how to do that really quick. It's super easy. You go to your homeroom course and you will go to final semester grade. And if your grade tools aren't showing, go ahead and press that arrow and they will show. So the easiest way to do this is to go to fill report card comments. Remember, just keep checking back for the directions. We can't put these comments in until milestone scores come back for third and fifth grade. So if you're a fourth grade teacher, you can do this right now, but if you aren't, then we need to wait. So we're going to fill all the comments, and then we're going to go back and change the ones that are just for retained. So this is a fourth grade class. We're going to go, you've been promoted to fifth grade, and then we're just going to hit fill. And okay, and that fills all the report cards with you have been promoted to fifth grade. Now in this class, we do have one student that has been retained. So I'm just going to go here, click on the CC. That's canned comment. That's what that means. And so that's the canned comment beside that name. And I'm going to unclick you have been promoted. And I'm going to click you have been retained. And then I'm going to save that. And then that one student that has been retained is now updated. So that is all you have to do. You do have to go over and click the save button up above the students, but it is super easy to go in and fill your report card comments. Thanks everybody. If you have any questions, send us a K-5 Ops ticket. Thanks.